Welcome to RandomTrees SAS to Python converter. Functions and capabilities are our file analysis and interpretation. Identification of SAS procedures. Python code generation. Automatic file saving and download. It have plenty of advantages. They are enhanced flexibility and accessibility through Python's extensive libraries and ecosystem. Improved collaboration and integration with modern data science tools and workflows. Seamless deployment and maintenance across diverse computing environments with Python's platform-agnostic nature. Welcome to the SAS to Python converter interface. In the source section, users can initiate the conversion process by uploading their SAS files. Prior to uploading, we recommend executing the SAS code in SAS Studio and reviewing the results. Once prepared, proceed to upload the SAS file. Upon successful upload, users can then drag the uploaded SAS file from the source section to the conversion section. At this stage, the file is primed for conversion. To initiate the conversion process, simply click on the Convert button. The SAS file will be transformed into Python code and saved with the .py extension. After conversion, navigate to the target section to download the Python file. Finally, execute the Python file to complete the conversion process.